Saiwal ni ng'ombe ambazo zinakuwa kwa haraka na kwa kila climate zinawezana kwa na kila climate, na pia kwa magonjwa zina resistance za magonjwa ambaye magonjwa haiwezi kusumbua zaidi.
Wakati tumeletewa hii maneno ya AI, najua ile wakati sisi kama jamii ya sijaelewa vizuri ati njao wanaweza saliwa bila ndume kupanda ng'ombe. Tukakuja kuona wakati kampuni ya livestock atuelekea sisi hii ng'ombe yetu AI kupandisha kwa mbira. Sisi tukatenga hii ng'ombe yetu kuweka hii shamba. Tukiongojea ng'ombe, kumbe ng'ombe anaweza kuwa ako na mimba ya AI. Akakuja kuzaa. Sisi tukashukuru sana sababu tumefurahi, hiyo ni ndume ya maana na ni Saiwal ya kawaida kama wale wengine tunaenda kununua kwa pesa huko.
Sometimes there was no specialization like what we are doing now. This is Saiwal, purely Saiwal breed, and sometimes back you buy Cebu of different crosses, and because of this crosses, now they decided now to bring the bulls from Naivasha. That is where they started. Then after that we roll to AI program, and now farmers benefited from that. They get more money now, they get more milk, and they also get more meat in case they slaughter a cow than sometimes back because of the cages of animals right now. Another benefit is that they are also being trained. Like for example, the farmers within the 12 clusters, they have been taken to Naivasha through Dr. Mbugu program to be trained on how to do this farming, which is now commercial. Because for Saiwal breed, it is purely we are moving from the ordinary to a better one, which is the confined. Because now we have conventional, and also we have an open area farming. Now we have been trained on how to do paddocking, so that we can have calves here. We can also have heifers on the other paddock. We can also have those small calves in a different confined paddock. We are also being trained on how to, especially to mitigate during the climate change. When there is that extreme climate change, because here in Transmara, we have not experienced of such. Like for example, Kajiado, it is completely different with the Transmara.
The main challenge with the Saiwal cattle is access to the breeding stock. That is the breeding males and the breeding females. We have found many farmers, queuing for their breeding materials from our Karo, Naivasha, station. That is and was not sustainable, and we made a decision and intervention to have a multiplication program as relating the access to the genetic material by farmers in this particular area of Narok County. Looking broadly, we wanted to increase the milk yield output in this area. We wanted to have many breeding animals, especially males. In that way, we were looking at lowering the cost of the animals in terms of purchasing from Naivasha. Because when you have so many animals, breeding animals, the possibility of the price going down is very high. And that is what has actually happened. Today, many farmers are not going to Naivasha to look for these particular very essential, important genotypes. We are able to source them locally. We have worked with the farmers, the farmer groups. We have worked with the ranchers in this particular area. And I can say for now, since we started the program, we have over 170 bulls, locally with the farmers, the different farmer groups. And the genetic material is circulating around here. And the change that we are witnessing here is phenomenal.